What's the meaning of alumina? Alumina. 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 Alumina.
Alumina is a white crystalline substance that occurs naturally in the form of corundum. It is a compound of aluminum and oxygen and is commonly used as a raw material for the production of aluminum metal. Alumina has a high melting point, is extremely hard and chemically inert, and is an excellent insulator. It is widely used in a variety of industries, including ceramics, electronics, and metallurgy, due to its unique properties. In addition, alumina has been studied for its potential applications in areas such as catalysis, drug delivery, and tissue engineering.